So what is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G, back with my Sunset Metallic M340. Today I'm coming at y'all with a little mod video. So for the past 2 years, I've had these GTS clear taillights on my car, and the other day my outer left taillight went out. I tried to mess with it, finesse the wires, see if it was shorted, see if it was disconnected, loose, anything like that. I could not get it to turn back on. I think it just fried itself. So I thought it was the perfect time for a little switch up with the car. So this is where the new mod comes in. We have a brand new set of these OEM clear taillights. So we're gonna be switching from the GTS clear tails to the OEM clear tails. What do y'all think about those? So I'm not gonna waste much time. We're just gonna get straight into taking these off. Luckily, I've already done these taillights a few times on this car. I was trying to finesse the wiring and all the bolts, see if there was any loose connections to make it not work. But ultimately, I feel like it's dead. But I feel like since I have done these 2 or 3 times, I feel like I'm gonna get these taillights out in like 20 minutes. If y'all are curious about G20 tails, you essentially have 2 bolts right here, 1, 2, 10 millimeter. And then you have one back in here. This is a 8 millimeter. You need a long ass extension. And then you gotta take down this cover. And then for the inner taillight right here, there's I believe just 1 bolt behind there that snugs it up to the car, and that's pretty much it. So it's maybe 6, 7 bolts, 6, 7. Side 1 is out. I'll give you all a little comparison. You have the GTS versus the OEM clears. Honestly, I like the clears. The clears flow a lot more than like the blocky pattern of these. And then it's as simple as just this one plug just connects it right here. I'll go ahead and put this side completely in so y'all can see a comparison. All right, so we got the outer part in the car. It's not fully bolted up. And then I just had to take down this little trunk panel so I can access the inner bolt. All right, boys, so we got one side of the OEM clears in. Obviously, it's not fully adjusted, so it's off-centered. But what are y'all thinking, goddamn, first impression, just seeing the OEM clear versus the GTS clears? I'm going OEM all the way. It flows so much better and cleaner, especially with the color of the car. I'm so excited to put the other one on. But we got to get this side out, and then I'll let y'all know the final look. I had to test that they work before I put them fully back in the car. All right, boys, they are on, bro. And I have to say, I absolutely am in love with these. Oh my God, bro. It made me re-fall in love with the rear end of this car. Oh my gosh. Now let me show y'all what they look like when they are on. This thing is so fucking loud. All right, so yesterday it got a little bit dark, so we are back the next day. The taillights are on the car. I love them. I just think the OEM clear tails flow so much better with the lines of the car. Like all the top line of the car right there, it's all one flowing motion now. Whereas the GTS tails, they're cool. I mean, the design is cool, but the way they're in this blocky pattern, it kind of disrupts the flow of the car. But that's all I really got about the lights. If y'all stayed this far, I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek on the next mod that actually just showed up. This is a PSM style spoiler. Right now I'm running the M4 style spoiler. I'm kind of just sick of it, and it's also fading on me. So I was like, let's get a new one, fuck it. So I'm going with this PSM style. This spoiler compared to the M4 style spoiler, I don't know if you can tell on video, but for one, it's wider. This is just a wider spoiler than this one. It's almost double the size. And then also the angle on it, I can't really snug it up to the car, but the angle of it, the actual kick of the spoiler is a little bit higher than the M4. Overall, I like the PSM style better, and it's gonna be more aggressive because the rear end of this car already looks so good, like with the diffuser and the exhaust and all the stuff. So I feel like just a little bit more aggressive spoiler, like, is just gonna set this bitch off. So that is another mod coming to the channel, the new spoiler. We got the new clear tails. And if y'all stayed this far, my real supporters, I'm just dropping everything today. I just ordered a set of Apex V5RS brush clear wheels for this car. And they're gonna take about 2 months to get here to be made and shipped to me. A lot of people have told me if I switch up from the black wheels and go chrome, it's gonna make everything clash on my car because I have a black diffuser, black spoiler, black accents all around the car. But I ran this experiment with ChatGPT and I told it to put chrome wheels on my car and it looks freaking amazing. So if y'all don't support the chrome wheels, trust the vision. I just love this thing, man. It's like, I've had this car close to 3 years. So it's like, I've gotten used to the power. I've gotten used to driving it. I've gotten used to the looks of it. But it's like, every time I do something different or switch something up on it, it's like, it makes me re-fall in love with this car. Like, it's so good. And the color, like sunset metallic, I just love this color. Like, it's a little bit dark. You can't really see it pop. It almost looks red in this light. I don't know how it shows up on the camera. But yeah, I think I've said about everything I gotta say in this video. I'm gonna end this video off with a pool. It's been a while since I gave y'all some driving clips of this car. So we're gonna do that and then I'm gonna sign out. Love y'all boys. Please subscribe. Enjoy the pools. I'll see you on the next one.